We can't activate Windows on this device. Error 0xC004F074. Two fixes. Try them in order under 2 minutes. When Windows isn't activated, it's sitting in the bottom right corner of your desktop. You went to settings, clicked activate, and that error code came back instead of a confirmation. This showed up after setting up a work computer, reinstalling Windows, or swapping hardware. This is it. I've activated machines across corporate deployments and home setups. This error has two causes, and both have a 2-minute fix. Quick check first. Is this a work computer? If yes, connect to your company VPN before doing anything else. This error means Windows can't reach the company's activation server. No VPN, no activation. Once you're connected, go to Fix 1. Fix 1. Force activation via command prompt. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click command prompt, click Run as administrator. Click Yes on the prompt. You'll get a black window with white text. That's correct. You're not changing anything permanent here. Just telling Windows to try activating again. Type this exactly and hit enter. slmgr.vbs/ATO. A small pop-up will appear in a few seconds. If it says product activated successfully, you're done. Subscribe to help somebody else. If it throws another error or nothing changes, go to Fix 2. Run the built-in activation troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, scroll down to Activation, and click Activation. If you see a Troubleshoot button, click it. If it gives you the option, I changed hardware on this device recently, select it. Sign in with your Microsoft account. That relinks your license to your current hardware. This is the fix after a motherboard swap or a Windows reinstall. Let it run. If it says your key type doesn't match your Windows edition, for example, you have a home key but Windows Enterprise is installed, that's a separate issue. Drop a comment with exactly what it says and I'll walk you through it. If it says Windows is activated, you're done. You just fixed it yourself. Subscribe so the next person finds this too. Still showing the error? Drop a comment, tell me if it's a work machine or a personal PC, and what the troubleshooter said. I'll help you out.